What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be going to take a look at this monitor right here. This is the LG 45GS95QE Ultra Gear 45-inch curved OLED monitor. If you haven't already heard about this, I will link it down in the description in case you want to check it out. But as of right now, we're going to be unboxing it. We're going to be taking a look at what it can do a little bit and how it feels, you know. So here as you can see here, it does have a refresh rate of about 240 Hertz. It is G-Sync compatible and it's meant for gaming at 1440p. So without further ado, let's get right into the unboxing. All right, so we're going to start by opening up the top right here. So once you open it, you will realize that there is a lot of styrofoam to keep the monitor protected. And as you open it, the very first part that sort of popped out here is, I believe it's the stand. Let's take a look at that. The next part we're going to take a look at is this part right here, which comes with a whole lot of different set of tools and components of the monitor itself, which includes the battery and the HDMI port. So it does come on HDMI with a power cable. Also here there's a display port, and all right, so now we have the main component, which is the monitor itself. Let's take a look at that right now. All right, so there we go, 45-inch LG OLED monitor. Some people have complained about the 1440p not being enough for the amount of size and real estate it gives you on the screen here, but we will go ahead and test it out and see if 4K would have been a better choice. But in the meantime, let's take a look at the back ports. As you can see here, this clicks right in as you slide it up from the top, and it does have the eject button as well if you would like to remove it. Otherwise, it's pretty much sealed in there. As you can see here, we have the stand, which will get installed right now by screwing in this part right here.